As we work further into some logarithms, we have a question involving using the calculator. Find the natural logarithm, which it means a base C logarithm. So they want us to find the what we call the natural log of 54. So again, the natural log of 54 means the it means the log of 54 base C. So remember, E itself is approximately 2.71828. So essentially, roughly, E is close to 3, if you will. So essentially what this is saying is essentially 3 to what power is 54. Well, I know that, 3 cubed would be 27. 3 to the fourth would be 81. So based on this, the answer's got to be it's around this 3 and 4 if I was using 3. So that's kind of what we're looking for is we're looking for the exponent of E that gives me a 54. So again, you can guess and check a little bit as well. I could start within E to the third power. That gave me 20. I can go E to the fourth power. That's giving me 54 something. So notice how 4 is really actually pretty close, just a shade big. So we could keep playing with it and choose something a little bit smaller than 4, maybe like 4.8 or 3.8. Second, E and maybe type of 3.8 in. So that's way off there. I could go back to 3.9, and my calculator could do that. And no, still, that E to the fourth was a lot closer. So I really need to be going like maybe E to the 3.98 or something. So I quit this here. Cool. So second E to the like 3.98 maybe, you know. Notice how I'm getting again, it's just a shade too small. So it's around there somewhere. Now, instead of doing all this, we do have a natural log button on our calculator. So this is our base E log. So if I hit the natural log of just 54, it'll do all this math for me without having to do a lot of guessing and checking. So notice how again, at 3.9889, so I really had to go out further out past the decimal there. So this does say round to 4 decimal places. So this would be like 3 then. Let's see here. So 3.9889. So it looks like this 9 is going to have to actually move up from an 89 to a 90. So 3.9890. Looks like that's what that's going to have to turn into because this 89 is going to have to actually turn into a 90. So 3.8890. So if I actually try that out on my calculator, 3.9890 does it get me really close to 54. So notice that it does. So again, the natural log of 54, what that's asking for is the exponent of the E that would give me the 54. So we know that E to the 3.9890 is going to be approximately 54. So that's what the natural log of 54 is able to calculate for me. It's able to find this exponent that we need. So yeah, 3.9890 would be our answer. And again, notice how we have a natural log button right there on our calculator, or that's considered our base C log.